Good morning. I'm Felicity Guest and I'm a financial abuse specialist. This is an exciting time in the family discourse. The amendments to the Domestic Violence Act have recently been gazetted, and soon victims will be able to get better protection under the Domestic Violence Act. In addition to that, we have developed a financial abuse course because the amendments will not really have their intended purpose unless you understand what financial abuse is. This is what victims had to say when asked. Do professionals who work in the family discourse understand financial abuse? The resounding response was, no, they do not. And that's understandable because there's very little information available to educate people on what financial abuse is, how it presents, and the many impacts. So what can you expect from doing the financial abuse course? You will have a greater understanding of the many complex drivers and the barriers, and therefore better prepare your strategy and your arguments, and more importantly, better protect your client. You will become a financial abuse expert, be referred by people who have benefited from your informed position of being a financial abuse expert, and automatically grow your business. You'll also contribute to a safer, fairer, and more just society and reduce gender-based violence. The presenters of the course is myself and Eugene Opperman, who is an attorney who specializes in family law and domestic violence, and advocate Mohammed Abduroaf, who comes with a wealth of experience and been very progressive in this sector. So do not delay in booking your seat for the first course, which runs on the 26th of February out of the Bertha Center in Mowbray. So if you want to be part of this groundbreaking course and development, then don't delay, book your seat immediately. We look forward to seeing you there.